Let's discuss 3 key benefits of having your furnace installed by a professional so you can enjoy reliable, efficient warmth all winter long. Hi there, I'm Bree Zarbach, Furnace Product Manager at Carrier. The first benefit is proper sizing. One major benefit of professional furnace installation is the peace of mind that your furnace is properly sized for your home. A professional furnace installer will evaluate your heating needs and recommend the right size furnace to meet those requirements. It is important because an incorrectly sized furnace can lead to inefficiencies, increased energy consumption, and discomfort. A bigger furnace is not always better. The second benefit is compliance with local codes and safety standards. Professional furnace installation ensures you're compliant with local codes and safety measures. Furnace installation involves elaborate wiring, venting, and gas connections that require expertise to execute correctly. Hiring a professional furnace installer ensures your furnace is installed safely, reducing the risk of fire hazard, gas leaks, and safety concerns. Last is maximizing energy efficiency. Professional furnace installers optimize the installation process, ensuring your furnace functions at its highest efficiency level. Choosing a professional installer means peace of mind, better efficiency, and a furnace that works the way it should. To help get expert help with your furnace installation, reach out to your local Carrier dealer today.